Hello all, here goes the first group of letters from Jolly Phonics. Let's say their sounds. S sounds S, A sounds A, T sounds T, I sounds E, P sounds P, N sounds N. Now we are going to frame some words with these beautiful 6 letters. Are you ready? Let's start. A, T, at, A, T, at. S, A, T, sat, S, A, T, sat. E, T, it, E, T, it. E, S, ease, E, S, ease. E, T, S, its, E, T, S, its. S, E, T, sit, S, E, T, sit. S, E, T, S, sits, S, E, T, S, sits. S, A, P, sap, S, A, P, sap. P, E, T, pit, P, E, T, pit. P, A, T, pat, P, A, T, pat. S, E, P, sip, S, E, P, sip. T, E, P, tip, T, E, P, tip. T, A, P, tap, T, A, P, tap. T, A, P, s, taps, T, A, P, s, taps. Sp, at, spat, Sp, at, spat. Sp, it, spit, Sp, it, spit. P, at, spats, P, at, spats. T, E, P, s, tips, T, tips, tips. S, E, P, s, sips, S, ips, sips. S, P, E, T, s, spits, Sp, its, spits. A, an, an, E, in, E, in. T, E, din, T, in, din. N, I, P, nip, N, ip, nip. T, A, N, tan, T, an, tan. P, I, N, pin, P, in, pin. A, N, T, ant, A, N, ant. Ant, S, ants, ant, S, ants. P, and pant, P, and pant. P, and spans, P, and spans. Sp, and span, Sp, and span. Sp, in, spin, Sp, in, spin. Spin, spins, Sp, ins, spins. Sn, ip, snip, Sn, ip, snip. Sn, ap, snap, N, ap, nap, N, ap, nap. P, and pan, P, and pan. So children, with these 6 letters, we have almost just now read 35 words. Isn't it great? Hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.